Final video to fix task host window, preventing Windows 11 shutdown. Because this issue stops your PC from turning off properly and wastes time. Are you trying to shut down your Windows 11 PC and noticing task host window keeps appearing or block shutdown? This problem happens when background processes, pending updates, or stuck system tasks prevent Windows from closing programs. Sometimes corrupted system files, drivers, or apps also trigger this issue without warning. Many users search YouTube or social media for fixes, but most solutions feel long, confusing, and hard to follow. That only wastes time and adds frustration. On Rexist, I focus on simple and proven fixes, and today I will share a secret easy trick that allows Windows 11 to shut down normally. This trick works because it terminates stuck tasks, repairs system services, and clears shutdown blockers instead of changing random settings. You do not need advanced PC skills, risky commands, or extra software. You just apply one smart method that works on most Windows 11 systems. After this, shutdown works instantly. Your PC powers off correctly, and task host window no longer blocks a process. Many viewers on Rexist already fixed this issue using this exact trick. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload it to help you fix task host window, preventing Windows 11 shutdown for good.